The IRC is a part of the Public Affairs section of the United States Embassy in Turkmenistan. Established in 1996, the Information Resource Center, or IRC, in Ashgabat operates as a platform to improve cultural exchange and mutual understanding between the people of the United States and the people of Turkmenistan. The center provides research and reference services, as well as print publications and electronic information resources. It specializes in providing information about current U.S. foreign and domestic policies, U.S. news, trade matters, and social and cultural issues. The IRC provides access to free internet with its 12 public internet terminals and wireless capacity for many more personal computers. The center maintains a reference collection of about 3,000 publications and about 50 leading periodicals. The Ashgabat IRC uses the latest technology in providing educational and informational resources to its users. Apple Mac computers, iPad tablet computers, Kindle electronic readers, the IRC assistants are always able to provide quick reference for quality research. IRC visitors are offered language study groups led by native English speakers, lectures and trainings conducted by U.S. government-sponsored programs alumni and other professionals, opportunities to interact with guest speakers, as well as share traditions, music, and culture. The IRC is open to the general public Monday through Friday from 9 to 1 and 2 to 8 p.m. It's open Saturday from 1 o'clock to 6 p.m. It's normally closed on Sundays and on Turkmen and American national holidays.